It is 10:50 a.m. May 7th, 2018. We just came off the gravel part of the upper portion of Malama and driving down here to the dead end where you have to turn left. There doesn't appear to be any damage up here. Some of the side roads have some tape on them. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that road sign that we just drove past. There is a new fissure that opened up behind those houses, and all I could see was smoke coming up. Ona Loa, there's a red tape across there. Everything's still good. This road is Kamakahi. Still, everything is green down here. Huh?
So choppers right there, so it's gotta be right.
We have some choppers up there someplace. So smoke is coming right behind that tree line. This is Alapai. Still, everything's good. All the structures seem to be intact. Okay, dokie. I'm gonna get out here and show you what we just saw. I'm coming. And I'll walk up to the gate because there is a no trespassing sign. It did? Looks like the house is gone here. Stink. Oh, brother. What?
Is house for sale?
It was. It was a bank of home.
It was.
Wow. Okay, more to come. Aloha.